Welcome to my YouTube channel. And the question for today is set mismatch. So, given set of integer is which originally contains all the numbers given from 1 to n. Unfortunately, due to some error, one number in the whole the series is got duplicated, and which has led to loss of another number. So we have given an array containing numbers starting from 1 to n, and we have to return the missing number as well as the number that is duplicate. So in this example, as you can see, 1 2 2 4 3 is missing, so we return 3 as well as the number that is duplicated, that is 2. All right, so let's see the approach for this question. So for this question, the approach will be, let's see, we can do this with the help of hashing or taking an extra array and storing the count for every variable. So what we'll be doing is, first, like this is the array given to us 1 2 2 4. So we will the length of this array will be stored in this variable. In this case it's 4. We will take an additional array arr, which we will be using it for hashing purpose, and the length will be of n plus 1 because the numbers given to us are from 1 to n. So we have probably n numbers. All right, so that's why we have taken an array of n plus 1. As we see here, like the numbers are four numbers we have. So to keep track of the last number as well, we have taken uh, an array, hash array, which we are using for hashing purpose, of the length n plus 1. So we're going to just reverse the array and we will store the count. As it starts from 0, we will don't touch the 0th position. So what we will do is, wait a second, I'll do it again. Alright, so while traversing the array, so 1 is present, so count of 1 is 1. 2 is we come across 2, the count of 2 is now also 1. Initially all of them are 0, and now again 2, so the count of 2 will be 2. Initially all are 0, and then we encounter 4, so the count of 4 now will be 1. So after this, after traversing the whole of the array, we have a hash array in which we have the occurrences. Then we will traverse this hash array. Where we find the value 0, we will return that index to be and store it in the variable known as missing. All right, and where we will encounter the value in the hash array to be double or 2, and we will know that this thing has occurred twice, so we will store this in variable duplicate, and in the end what we will be doing is we will return both the values by adding them into an array. All right, let's see the code for this question. So what we have here is we have taken one hash array named arr, and we have taken two variables, duplicate and missing. So first we have just did nothing but store the occurrences of the numbers present in the nums array into their respective positions at hash array. So we have here, after that what we will do is we just traverse our hash array, and you can see we have started from 1. So for the first position we will traverse all of our hash array, and if we encounter a value that is 0, then we will say that this is the missing index and we will store the index value in the missing. And if we encounter the value that is 2, then we will know that this thing has been repeated twice, so that will be stored in the duplicate variable. So given the data type in a return type to array, so we create a new array and we add both the values, that is duplicate and missing. So this is done. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, it's done. So the complexity for this code is big O of n, as we are big O of n, and there are two loops that run for length n. So n plus n, that is capital n, big O of capital N is the complexity. And for space complexity, we have taken one array, and which will be of the length of the array nums array as well. So that is O of n. So I think it's clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share it among your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.